So today I'm going to unbox this Prime Cables PC table, which is a study table, office table, and it is having a adjustable height because it has a electric motor in that. It also has a charging ports. So let's see the unboxing and we'll do everything step by step here. So it comes in the two boxes as I can see. So this is the one which has the legs and it's easy to assemble. The only thing is it's really heavy, so you might need two people to assemble it. Here we can see it's easy to assemble, so just you can watch this video whenever you want to assemble it. Simply place the legs on the table upside down. Now so you have to use that according to the manual. Just make sure you make it tight. Just do it same way for the other side of the leg as well. Now we have to place the foot, so you just have the screws here as well, so just place them properly and just make it tight. Do it on the both sides. Now we are going to connect the power cable, so connect one end to the charger. Place the table wherever you want and plug it in the electrical outlet, and we are ready to use it. So simply press the button up and down. You can see it goes up. It's very easy and it's very instant. Securely it goes up, and if you have to put it down, just press the down button, it goes down. Now it has a feature to lock it, and it has 4 places where you can adjust the settings. So whenever you press 1 2 3 4, it will go to the particular setting. So this is the child lock. You can use lock unlock from here, and then you can adjust the height. It really looks good, expensive item. The right hand side, it also has 2 USB charging port and 1 USB-C charging port. You can see from the side, so there is a drawer here. You can just place your laptop or any other item you want to keep. Thanks for watching.